If I play our project, then I can see that the image and the audio start at the same time. This of course can be what we want, but in my case I'd actually like the images to start a little bit later. By this I mean that the music should start, and then at a certain point a little bit later the first image should appear. For this reason, I'd like to make a little bit of room at the beginning of our project. I'd like to move everything that is on the video track somewhat to the right. And of course, I could do this by drawing around it using the rubber band tool, and then by moving the marked clips whilst in overwrite mode. However, if I progress like this, it could be that I miss a piece of material, because it's either too far to the right, or because I haven't actually drawn around it with the rubber band. So I'll undo and show another interesting and nicer method. I'll zoom in somewhat, and then I'll use a new function that actually belongs to the editing functions of the timeline. And I call this up by pressing the Alt and the Shift key simultaneously, and then I can see on the mouse a new symbol that we don't know yet. And then if I select a clip and move it, everything that follows this clip is automatically moved with it. If I do this with the very first clip, then my entire project is moved. Everything that starts with this clip and comes after it is moved simultaneously. In this case, the music clip is also moved, and this I don't want. So I'll simply use the track sync function. If I deselect it for the music track, and I use the function by pressing Alt and Shift and moving the rest of the tracks, I'll zoom in somewhat so we can see the first clip somewhat clearer. Then I can move all of the clips in my entire project, but leave the audio clip where it should be. I'll move it 4 seconds forwards and have a look. And yes, all of the material has been moved, and all I have to do is adjust the length of my music track so that it fits the full length of the project. I'll have a quick look again, and yes, we can see my first image starts later.